Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mackenzie and this is Sorority Recruitment 101, the channel that's dedicated to answering the questions you guys might have about what it's like to be in a sorority in college or what it's like to go through sorority recruitment. Before I jump into today's video, make sure you subscribe down below. I post new recruitment tip videos every single Monday, so you do not want to miss those. Today's video starts a little mini-series called Vocab for Recruitment. What this is, it's a series of videos that informs you of some words that you need to know before you go through sorority recruitment so you understand what's going on. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 5 of those key words. So let's jump into the first one. The first word you need to know is active. An active is a sorority member who's currently in college and has been formally initiated by her chapter. The next word you need to know is alumna. An alumna is an initiated member who is no longer active in her collegiate chapter. So what that means is that this member was involved in a sorority while she was in college, but she has now graduated and moved on into post-grad life. The next word you need to know is bid. A bid is a formal invitation to join a sorority and a fraternity. And this invitation is what you receive at the end of recruitment on bid day. Self-explanatory. The next word you need to know is campus total. The campus total is the allowable chapter size determined by the college's Panhellenic. What this means is the Panhellenic Council at each college sets a max amount of bids that each sorority is allowed to give out. The final word I'm going to tell you in today's video is continuous open bidding, also known as COB. Continuous open bidding is the period in which a sorority has not reached campus total and they're allowed to recruit and take in more members. For a lot of schools, this happens in the spring semester and a lot of people call it spring rush. It's more informal and it's just so chapters will be able to reach their quota and their total that's set by Panhellenic. Alright you guys, so that is the first 5 words of our Vocab for Recruitment mini-series. I hope this was a little bit helpful for you to learn some of the vocab that sororities use at your university. If you have words that you've heard that you don't understand, definitely comment those down below. That way I can put them into future videos so you guys know what they mean and you're ready to go through recruitment. Also, as always, comment down below on what you want me to talk about next and follow us on social media so you can join our Sorority Recruitment 101 family. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.